Hello friends and welcome back to Dash of Spices. Today I'll be sharing with you how I made this easy air fryer leche flan recipe. A flan is common dessert in the Philippines, especially for New Year's. And I made this on the air fryer a couple of times already, and I decided it's time to share it with you guys. I hope you're going to love this video. If you like sweets and easy dessert recipe, this recipe is for you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And let's start. What I have here is a mold, a flan mold, which you could actually buy at the Asian market. This is also available in Amazon. I'll provide the link down below. Spread some butter and add about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, or you could use white sugar as well. On the air fryer, add a little bit of water. On the bottom, just in the bucket area, just enough not to overflow or below the basket. Place the mold into the air fryer unit, 400 degrees for 1 minute. That's all you need to preheat it. And as soon as you can see that the sugar is melted, just set that aside. Now on a bowl, you're going to need 5 egg yolks and whisk the yolks. Set the egg white aside. You could also make something with it in the future. Add about 1/4 cup of the condensed milk, whisk to combine, and then about 2/3 cup of evaporated milk and whisk to combine. Add about a tablespoon of vanilla extract, whisk to combine. Also a pinch of salt. Don't worry, I'll provide the ingredients down below in the description box. Strain this so to prevent pockets onto your flan. Now on the air fryer unit with that mold with the brown sugar, we're going to add this mixture over. Just pour it over gently into the mold. If you have a Cosori air fryer like mine, it's going to be uneven right now, so make sure you be careful with it. Cover this with foil and then place this into the air fryer unit. Gently navigate this to the unit because you don't want those mixture all over the place. Cook this 370 for 10 minutes. After that, this is done. You could actually cook this for 8 minutes on 370 degrees. I think I overcooked this time, but you could adjust this to your liking. You could always use the toothpick just to check if it's done. And this is good to go. Just simply use a knife to kind of release the side or work that around the side of the mold for easy transfer. Grab a plate and flip this over and give it a little tap for easy transfer. And there you go. There is our leche flan dessert in the air fryer. Can you imagine that? Can you believe it? You could air fry a dessert in the air fryer. You could steam it. You could use it as a steamer. So I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. If you're Filipinos, I know this recipe is familiar to you. This is common during New Year. So this is the best way to prepare it. You know, if you don't have enough space on your stove, if you have air fryer, let this steam on the air fryer. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have questions about this recipe, leave us a comment down below. Again, we appreciate you all. Thank you everyone for supporting our channel. We'll see you next time. Ciao.